All right, so this is midweek, kind of checking for my trades that I've set up. So just looking at it, the XY, nothing macro speaking has changed. On the weekly, we can see 2022 range is being respected highly ever since start 2023. The midpoint of the yearly candle, resistance coming in a retest. Shit would tell you maybe it'll just come in to kind of deviate like that maybe and then come there. But I'm not really sure what's happening. If I go to the foot daily, sorry. Obviously it's like this. There's a little SR here that is struggling to reject. So immediate thoughts are that it's just gonna roll over and come back to finally give us the tap. So that's what I'm working with at the moment. I'm really trying to work on picking out fewer swings, higher, like really like squeezing the maximum out of a trade basically. And that's what I'm trying to work on. So so yeah, that's the thoughts on it right now. Nothing too crazy. Just come back in, maybe just deviate, come into this SR level perhaps. Nothing really like. I was kind of caught off guard for this little SPAC here. Caused quite a few pairs to go my way, but for now, I'm thinking even like New Zealand pairs, Aussie pairs. I'll show later that this is just showing completely. It's just rounding off, right? So yes, dollar for now. ES. If we go to the weekly, it's quite. See, I don't know why this always happens. My levels are just messed up. Let's say that, yeah. Come. This isn't right either. Or was this a quarterly range? My bad. Surely not, right? What is that? No, no. That's just a shit drawing. Alright, anyways. Yes. This is I entered this early in the week prematurely. Came into here and I thought from the Monday's high, not Monday's high, sorry, technically is Monday's high, but anyways, the previous week's high, I thought it was just gonna roll over, but obviously, like it would tag this level, which I believe is the previous monthly high. So that would just tell me we're in the parameters for the monthly range. So I'm looking for this to get swept eventually. If we look at the midpoint for this level, it's confluent with the previous weekly, so that's things are looking quite clean for ES. I'll be honest. If I can, but it's already rejected off this level here, which is just an SR I just drew. So I guess I'll just for the main part, I guess I'll just sideline till I see something nice. So if it maybe rejects off here, this level, then I'll just look to actually enter around there, have my stops there. If not, there's nothing suggesting that I can't go higher. So I'll keep that in mind as well. So yeah, yes, I've had a bad record on ES so far. So I'm trying to not stay away from it. I just want a good clean setup to present itself really. So that's it for ES. My macro levels for ES, I'm not really sure if they're correct. I don't see why I'm not. The levels I've marked out are quite respected, so give it that. So GU is one that's really annoyed me. Weekly is a good SR level here, important, which is a mid-range for a yearly. I'm using the 2022 levels. We've been good so far. So yeah, did I lock this? Yeah, cool. So if you zoom in a bit more to the daily, I had it quite like simple. I thought it was going to tag the 0.5. It's not. So it did take out these sets of highs here, And when I was looking for the new week, it obviously came back into the previous weekly range, so it would have been a nice entry to have. And then obviously this little support area here broke down. It's been going down ever since. If I were to say though, given what I think about DXY, it'd be nice to close around there here-ish at the mid, right? And then look for it to come push out up into here, maybe finally tag that 0.5 and then come down. That's what I'm looking at right now. If we zoom in a bit more to the 5 minute, I mean, we haven't changed bias yet really. Taking out this high here, nothing in it really, like nothing substantial. That's what I'd say. Just that. Level to level plays. I don't see why I can't come back up here, given what I've just said about DXY. I'm just not fully convinced though, especially looking at the pound. What do I know about the pound? It looks like it's bearish as well. So it's coming here, swing fill this quarter range. Agara, it's got to be touching right. Yeah, basically. So if we just fixed that, it is essentially touching. It's reacted off that, and that's a little fucking SR there as well. So bearish on the pound, bearish on the dollar. Let me just fix that, by the way. Yeah, might as well just quickly check euro since we're looking at the thing. This does look bullish. It's broken out of a trend, taking a quarter low, and it's like it's coming up a bit. It looks like it's gonna be. I've been saying it's bullish for a while, since about the beginning of the month. Really, I thought, yeah, it's just gonna pump. I thought it'd go more parabolic than this. I saw even Trader SC saying, "Oh, euro's gonna tank," but I don't see it personally. Even though we have kind of rejected off this this level here, even if we zoom out a bit more, like this to me, look, support, resistance, support, support, support. It's come here and it's kind of supporting off it again. So yeah, I don't see why I'm not. Plus, even on the daily, we saw it earlier. It's just rejecting off that support there, making higher lows, even higher highs. But I'm just gonna put it as orange for now because I'm not 100% sure. Obviously, Japanese is just don't really want to touch the yen pairs, but it is finding a bit of support there. Could it turn around? Let's look at GJ anyway. Even though the pound is tanking, this can definitely come higher. Finally hit that yearly range, maybe. Definitely come into here. Yet to be seen though. I had it. I never trade GJ, but I thought previous weekly range is rejecting off the high, so I'm expecting higher levels to be printed really. What else do we have? FX. Let me switch to my advantage one. Euro, not euro, dollar, yen. This would have been a nice pair as well. Sorry, nice trade to do, given what I know. Could easily just roll over. I'll be honest. Like it's showing some great juice, but if we tag this, I'll be very satisfied because I mean I don't really give a shit to be honest because I'm not in the trade, but for my own knowledge, I guess. I don't know why these keep moving. Like, I don't remember moving them. This is 2000 as well, so anyway, don't really trade the yen pairs. USDCAD.
rejection of this level, finding support at the weekly, so it's fucking choppy. I need to find out how to. I need to know how to clear up my levels. For me personally, I had it going bullish towards here, maybe some pullback here, come up maybe. My gut feeling is telling me, oh, fill in this inefficiency, come back, reclaim, reclaim, reclaim. Basically, just do that until we get that. Especially with the Canadian index looking weak. I don't see why not. USD. Nah, this. Oops. Motherfucker. Nah, this looks what did I have originally? I had this originally, like, obviously this is the hindsight. Well, I call it the hindsight play. Oops. But that's what I had originally. Can it do it? Yeah, it can do it. No, I can't do it really. I got. It'll probably just be choppy. Actually, no, I could do it. Maybe a bit of chop around here for a bit, and then maybe if we go next week, it'll probably just do this for the rest of the week. Maybe it'll start breaking out Thursday, Friday, most likely. Um, but I do see it playing out. Like I favour this move instead of the downside, just because of the reaction of the mid. It's printing like high lows. So yeah, Euro GBP. Pissed, bruv. I think I had this since last week. I had this trade mapped out. Um, yeah, it's just such a strong reaction of that level there, which I don't even know what that level is, to be fair. It's like some new range I have. Um, damn, wait, what? What level? Yeah, that's just a macro. Like that's just a huge level. So it's a very very key level, as you can see here. It's just keeps finding support. I'll be looking for a huge like swing play really if you break up at this monthly high, previous monthly high. Well, to have the quarter, previous quarter high. Yeah. Mm, definitely has potential to go that previous monthly high. That's all I'll say. But again, we just gotta be cautious. See, it's in a resistance zone, so don't really like this pair anyway. Aussie, this is definitely just gonna go down. To be honest, this one again, I just traded, stuck to my trading plan because that's a 10-hour trade I had lined up, and it's definitely gonna hit it. To be honest, even if it could go down here, that's 11 and a quarter. So fumbled the bag there. New Zealand. Again, like really, I think this is gonna go down. So many fucking. Actually, no, I keep them. I kind of need them. But previous quarterly low, definitely. It's just a nice little level. Because if we look at it like from a macro point of view, like going a weekly, yeah, daily actually, let's just see it better. It's like okay, previous quarterly range, right? You got these red levels. Get out of it, man. Uh, Lost my train of thought. Anyway, it depends on this level as well. To be fair, like it can easily come in, swing, come, keep going. But really, on a macro, you would expect a pullback and then come through there. Like obviously done in the short term, maybe just a wick, maybe even. Yeah, that's it really. Like because it's coming here really like on a macro scale, you're looking for longs on the New Zealand pair because it's just broken out that range, found support coming here, and then it just adds conviction on longs. Really, I know I'm shorting, but I get the point. You get the point. Bitcoin, fuck knows, man. I don't even look at Bitcoin. Uh, I'm gonna wrap it up there. To be honest, I don't even look at crypto like that. But this move particularly, just looking at it. One sec, I just want to see something quick. Hmm.
This move particularly just reminds me of the whole macro play for Bitcoin, wherever it is. I think we've got on the weekly. You see this, where it just comes in here, and then a little break outside that range, and then it sweeps up. What are you saying? What are you saying? What are we saying? Or range play. Trades below the range, swift up, and then parabolic after that for a bit. Anyway, yeah, so thoughts on the week really. I need to stick with my blueprints with conviction. Don't close the just absolutely like go a week, right? Just playing your swing setups because they almost always hit. I think let me find this sheet. All right, I mapped it out. Week one, I had one stop out, and like there's a couple. Obviously, if you're looking for exact entries, um, then we would have filled it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setups, one L setup in that first week. And I think that first week I was in drawdown as well. Second week, how many setups did I win? 2. But even then, I think I closed early. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 really bad, good setups missed. 2 good setups missed, and another setup missed as well that I butchered. So really, if I stick to my original plans, there's nothing to worry about. And then on my paper trading account, I'll just day trade then, and then that's how I'll just get better. To be honest. So yeah, there's nothing to like. And plus now, for me personally, I have other commitments I need to be looking at as well. So realistically, just need to pattern up. Yeah, there's nothing to add really. So I'll come back here maybe on Saturday and then have like a weekly review and then see what I can do from there really. So yeah, but I'm liking my consistency. I'll give myself that. Execution is the only thing I'm missing now. Emotional maturity in the trades, trade management, execution, all that bundled up. Now, if I pattern that, we're sorted. I promise. Cool.